Let's talk about the biggest misnomer in the entire universe, the black hole. When we hear that name, we immediately picture a drain in a bathtub or a tunnel leading to nowhere. We imagine empty space. But the reality is actually the exact opposite. A black hole isn't empty space at all. It is the most crowded place you could possibly imagine. Think of a black hole not as a hole, but as a massive amount of matter packed into a very small area. To get a sense of this density, imagine taking the entire Earth, every mountain, every ocean, every building, and every person, and crushing it down until it fits inside a marble. That is the kind of density we are talking about. It creates a gravitational pull so intense that it breaks the rules of physics as we know them. This gravity is the star of the show. On Earth, if you throw a ball up, it comes down. If you launch a rocket fast enough, about 25,000 miles per hour, it breaks free of Earth's gravity. But near a black hole, the gravity is so extreme that the escape velocity required to break free exceeds the speed of light. Since light is the fastest thing in the universe, and even light isn't fast enough to escape, the object goes dark. It becomes invisible to the naked eye. That is why we call it black. It's not that there's nothing there, it's that the light reflecting off the matter is trapped, constantly falling back onto the surface like a ball thrown in the air. This leads us to the event horizon. This is the boundary around the black hole, the point of no return. If you stay outside this line, you might survive. But once you cross it, there is no engine in the universe powerful enough to pull you back out. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that those dark patches aren't just empty voids. They are the heavyweights of the cosmos, objects so dense and so powerful that they literally hold on to their own light, refusing to let the universe see what they are hiding.